Good morning, students. In my last class, I have already discussed about transformation of sentences, and I have discussed from negative to positive and from positive to negative sentences. So now I will discuss from interrogative so assertive. So here I have given two rules that these are: when the question is affirmative, a negative answer is implied. That is, when the question will be in positive sentence or in positive sense, a negative answer is given. When the question is negative, an affirmative answer is implied. That is, when the question is in negative sense, then positive answer is implied. So, is he not a grateful? This is the question. There is not in the sentence. Is he not a grateful? The answer is as from our rule we know that we have to remove not. That is a positive answer. He is a grateful. When can their glory fade? So, we have to put one positive answer. When can their glory fade? Their glory can never fade. Shall I ever forget such a good friend? I shall never will become ever will become never. I shall never forget such a good friend. Is this the way you should behave? This is not the way you should behave. This is not the way you should behave. This will be the answer. So there is no positive sense in the sentence. So the answer will be negative. This is not the way you should behave. Then the next one. Can I ever repay your kindness? So it will be I can, it's a simple answer. I can ever will become never. I can never repay your kindness. Now from assertive to interrogative. Assertive to interrogative. I can never forget you. Can I ever forget you? That is, it's known to you. That is, whenever we are transforming it into interrogative sentence, we have to put question from the word given in the sentence. I can never forget you. So we can put question with can. Can I ever? Never will become ever. Can I ever forget you? No one can do this. Can anyone do this? And no one will become anyone. So no one can do this. See once again, can anyone do this? There is nothing wrong with me. Is there anything? Nothing will become anything. Is there anything wrong with me? So we have transformed it into assertive to interrogative. This is the way we should do it.